Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. Guys, if you have one of those, if you need to find where your Bluetooth fuse is located, which fuses you need to check, where you can guys find them, where you can, if you have relays, we'll talk about that. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them, guys, completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays, as well, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So if you need to find the Bluetooth fuses, relays, where you can expect to find them, we will, guys, demonstrate on that generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Both of these vehicles, by the way, appear on the same platform. It should apply to both. The main difference is that the Chevy Tahoe is a little bit shorter. Now, guys, there will be 5 different hidden fuse boxes that most owners do not know where to find them. That's okay. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. First, what we need to do, open the driver's side door. On the side of the dash, we have one cover. Pry that cover open. Behind it, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, you may have one fuse. Let's explain which one that you need to check. Okay, first we need to check fuse 39, that fuse right here. Then you need to open the passenger door and you need to do exactly the same thing. On the side of the dash you have a cover that you need to pry, and behind it you're going to find that fuse box right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Here you're going to find, guys, fuse 29. That's integrated with the radio fuse. Sometimes you may need to pull that fuse, let the system sit without it, reset and see if it fixes it. And another one is fuse 48 right here. Those will be the main fuses that you guys need to check. If you have problems with the Bluetooth, it doesn't work, guys, okay, in some cases you might need to disconnect the car battery for an hour, see if that fixes it. In some cases could be problems with the radio Bluetooth module integrated as well, guys. That could be the problem, but always try the fuses first. So, guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.